So this here is going to be a family union world. Okay, that does it. Yeah, I'm just gonna brute force this. Okay. Let's just continue brute forcing until brute forcing no longer works. Probably won't. Okay, this requires some thinking now. I think the only option we have is to apply small s. Okay, that worked. We're just gonna continue brute forcing until brute forcing no longer works. Wait, I made a mistake here somewhere. This is obvious, but how do we prove this? Damn it. Okay. Now let's prove the other direction. So this is going to be... Let's do this rewrite first. Now we can do apply m.intro to hxb. And I think here is going to be, we're going to take or dot the right one. Okay, the other direction. This, yeah. Um, okay. Probably wants to HT1. Okay. Okay. And now we're going to do. Okay. We will continue brute forcing until brute forcing no longer works. Union of F union G equals union of F intersect union of G. Well, family union of F set union of G, family union of F set union of family union of G. Right? Josephine is it EXTX and okay. Alright, this one here should be left, and then apply T. It would be convenient to. Right. I guess we don't need that here then. Okay. Exists T both in F. So this is applied. Exist dot intro T. Apply and dot intro of HTF and HT2. Okay. This one here is going to go right. Intro of T. HTG and HT2. Okay. Other direction. To AXFG. Our case is this, which HXG. Now we just have to apply a function. I think just apply f. And this one here is going to be or and hf1. Wait, this is other direction. So it's f, this is going to be g now. So we just copy this. Our case is hxg with g, hg1, hg2. Now start syncing. No, we don't. We can copy this again. This time we're going to do the this.intro below g and intro hg2. G belongs in f union g. F union g. This is going to be or dot. Okay. Brute forcing has worked so far, so we will just continue brute forcing. Family union of f is a subset of A. If and only if for all s in f, s is a subset of A. Yeah, so brute forcing has been good to us so far. Let's continue brute forcing. I'm going to take a break and be right back with this. Okay, we are back to brute forcing this. So, can't do that rewrite here. Okay. Okay, we're going to prove that S is a subset of A. So we have a set S, both in F. Yeah, so here we're going to do continuously intro. Okay. This should make it easy. So I think at this point I want to apply H. Okay, at this point I want to invoke the fact that it's an S. That okay, at this point I want to apply in.intro. This is HSF and this is HXF. Okay. This is intro. We continue intro. We cannot continue intro. Why can't we continue intro? Can I continue to intro this? Oh, I can't. Okay. All right. I think I want our cases. Now I want to show that X belongs in A. probably want to do okay. So this point I think is apply h4 and then exact h of 2. Okay. We continue brute forcing. A set intersect family union of F equals family union of all S such that exists union F such that S equals A intersect U. Okay, I think this is doable. Apply intro. Intro XAF. Okay. Bam. Now we have to pick a... I think this is where we are cases HF. We get an F, HF1, HF2. Exists a T both in... Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that this U matches that F. So it's A intersects small f. T is going to be A intersects small f. Alright, so apply this intro T cap small f. A cap small f. Okay. And apply and the intro. So big A, small f, big A is HA. Small f is HF1. Wait, that did not work. Because there's no such add. X belongs in A. Am I parsing this right? Right, okay. So X belongs in A is H of A. X belonging in F is H of 2. Okay. So now A intersect F. Alright. Now I have to pick a U. I think we just pick F, right? What is going on here? We just pick small f. Okay. Intro. We're just gonna call that H because I don't know what else to call it for now. we're most certainly going to break it up. What do we get after we break it up? We'll call this F. Okay, and then we're going to rewrite and then we're going to break apart. Oh boy, this name is terrible. Alright, let's call these 1, 1 and 1, 2. I apologize for the naming. I'm still learning how to use Lean. So I apologize. Okay. And intro. This one can be done via okay. This can be done by okay. So apparently we brute forced an entire section. Okay.